guys, welcome back to my IGTV and I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm back with Urbanic Haul. After Shein, I have observed that Urbanic is growing rapidly and it's famous among girls. And it wouldn't be wrong to say that the products are worthy amount. And honestly, I'm so excited to show you guys what products I have bought. So let's not waste our time and get started and see what is in my haul. So here is my pack and as you can see, I have already opened it. So let's get started. But in the meantime, you guys need to stay enthusiastic, plus you'll get product recommendations as well. So the first product is this oversized shirt. As you can see. Oh my god, it's so pretty, isn't it? And the fabric is also top notch. So let me try this. I'm really loving the fabric. It's looking nice, no? So this shirt is worth rupees 1590, but I got somewhat 20% discount on it. So if you like it, you can get your hands on this shirt. So now the second product is this pink tie-dye oversized tee. This one is also just so good, so good. I mean, just look at this print. I'm loving this ice cream print. Plus, it would be wrong to say that I'm not liking the product. I'm loving them. And I can say that the quality of the product is really amazing. Plus, the material of the product is really comfortable. It is. The size I have ordered is M, plus it is worth rupees 990, and again I got somewhat 15% discount on this t-shirt. So let's move ahead to our next product. Wait. So now the next product is again a t-shirt and I really love this color. I was actually looking for this color from a very long time. The shade is really very pretty, no? And the quality is again very amazing and the material is also very comfortable. But guys, I ordered size M and as you can see, it is very oversized. कुछ ज़्यादा ही oversized हो गया है. So I would recommend if you are going to buy this, go for S or XS. Else, if you're gonna order M, then you're gonna get this big size. Apart from the size part, I really love the product, and one thing more, that the prints are on both the sides like this and it's very stylish, very stylish. Now let me show you how oversized it is. ज़्यादा लग रही है ना? So now the second last product is this, again a t-shirt. You must have seen it in advertisement. So here's the t-shirt and it's good. I'm liking it, but this time the material is different and I'm not a big fan of this kind of material. It's a cotton mixed with a polyester. Apart from material, I like the t-shirt and it is worth rupees 690, but I got it around 480. Yeah, 480 or somewhat 490. Let me show you. Ow. So if you want to buy this one and if you want an oversized t-shirt, so go for, if you wear M, then go for L or XL to make it oversized. Let me tell you guys, Urbanic is not having its standard size. कुछ टी-शर्ट्स ज़्यादा बड़ी हो रही है M में, कुछ टी-शर्ट्स कुछ ज़्यादा छोटी हो रही है, तो इन लोगों का कोई स्टैंडर्ड साइज़ नहीं है. टेक हेल्प ऑफ रिव्यू सेक्शन एज वेल एज वहाँ पर पिक्चर्स अपलोड रहते हैं और उन्हें देखकर आप थोड़ा जजमेंट लगा सकते हैं कि हाँ ये आपकी बॉडी पर फिट जाएगा, ओवर साइज जाएगा, कैसा जाएगा. तो यही एक तरीका है एक परफेक्ट साइज ऑर्डर करने का. अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दिस आई रियली लाइक इट. सो लेट्स मूव अहेड टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. which is not in this pack. That means I'm already wearing it. I'm really loving this zipper t-shirt and it's perfectly fit. I have ordered size M. You can take a help of size chart as well. And as you can see, it is very comfortable. While lifting hand, it's not even coming up. So it is worth buying. I bought it around 790, I guess. Let me check and tell you what is the exact price of it. So yeah, it is of 990, but I got it around 790, and I must say that the quality is really very amazing, very smooth. So from all the products I have bought, I really love all the products. I'll put this one on the first, the pink one on the second, the blue one on third. Just because of size, else I'll put this one on second, and the last one is this, just because of material, else I liked it. Now I'll conclude it as, if you are thinking to purchase from Urbanic, then just go guys, because firstly the products are worth the amount, and second you will get all the trendy and stylish clothes on Urbanic, so you can go for it. Okay guys, that's all the haul from Urbanic. If you like this haul, then let me know if I will do such hauls often, and if you have any suggestions for more videos, then drop me in the comment section. Also, do not forget to tell me which product you like the most, and I'll see you super soon. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.